In this video, we unbox the WLToys 124019. Alright, let's have a look what's in this box. Alright, so there's a charger, wheel nut tool and some instructions. This model is not a toy, it is designed for a user over 14 years of age. Alright, it looks shiny. Let's have a look, let's get it out. Quick look. Alright, so there's not overly much in the box. They do come with this battery that I've taken out before. It's a 2200 milliamp 7.4 volt LiPo. They come with a little charger. I'm charging a battery up right now. So let's have a look. So this is the big brother for the WLToys 144001. So this is a 1/12 scale instead of 1/14. I do have the 144001 right here, so we can make some comparisons. It's clearly a lot longer. This is on drift wheels though, so it looks a bit funny. But I'd say, yeah, it's about 5 centimeters longer, which I think is the spec. Let's have a look. I don't know how much it's different on the body. From what I've been told, it's just the length as a problem. Or the difference. Looks pretty much the same. I see the battery hold is a bit longer, so that's good. We'll take this off and have a look at the same time. Put that away. So the controllers are, yeah, it's the same as the one before. Throttle dual rate, which has been really good. I've tested that out before. Steering trim, and that's pretty much all you have. There's a mode button there. I'm not fully sure what that does, but I'll figure that out later. Otherwise, like, have a look at this. They look very similar. They've fitted a ESC combo thing down there. The servo is identical. Steering looks identical. Towers are gold plated color wise. Otherwise it looks totally the same. These wheels do look a bit different though. But yeah, so these are specified to do, like, I don't know, 60 kilometers per hour or something like that. Not the same as the WLToys 144001. I do like the look of it. Not sure if the differentials need a bit of work. Same as with the WLToys, you need to check your shocks because, like, these ones are overfilled without a doubt. They're definitely, as you can see, I can't compress them fully because they're full. Same in the back. Yeah, they barely compress at all, and it's definitely not the springs, so these are overfilled. I need to adjust that later. They're even unevenly filled because the car's a bit. Otherwise, the motor looks pretty much identical, I think. Yeah. The ESC is the same thing, 60 amp carbon brush regulator. Yeah, it's the same thing on this one, 60 amp. Alright, so let's have a look. So the remote takes 4 AA's, exactly like the WLToys one. It's identical, so it should be it's the same thing. It's a different car. So it seems the steering is a bit off from the start. Okay, I should probably turn that on first. Quite a fast servo. That's in a bit of a danger zone. Let's see if we can sort of centralize. I would have liked that to be the center, but that's definitely not in center, as you can see there. So this is how they come out of the box. That looks pretty good, I think. Oh, this steering servo post looks a bit. I don't know if I need a washer in there. It's a bit glitchy. Might need a bit of a washer to make sure that's more solid, because that's not great. That's a bit of a glitch you don't want. Yep, it's definitely gonna move. Well, I can't really take it out because it's quite late at night. So I'm gonna turn it off. Take the battery out. Give it a charge, and tomorrow I'm gonna give this a little bit of a blast, and hopefully to see that it behaves a little bit better than WLToys 144001. So this is the WLToys 124019. I'll put that body on so you get to see, because it's a really nice body. I like the purple. Yeah, that's it. So it comes with a good controller as far as I know. There's a lot of videos out already. I know that the RC Master has dropped a video on how to extend their range on these, which is something that I want to do. So I'm going to try to follow his advice in a video that's coming. Alright, so that's it for this video. The WLToys 124019. Purple, cool. Gonna give it a blast tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment and like, dislike if you're sucky. Until next time, stay safe, take care. GoPro, stop recording.